Hello, future recycling heroes! Did you know that without your help, your smartphone will one day end up in a place like that? And that's a pity, because many of the materials it contains are still usable. Let me tell you a short story about lines and circles. In linear economy, raw material is taken out of Earth and transported to factories. It's there that your mobile phone is manufactured. Then it is shipped to a local shop. You buy your phone and use it. Until one day it breaks. Unfortunately, when you throw it away, it goes straight to a landfill. That's how the linear economy works. As a recycling hero, I stand for the circular economy. Here, we connect both ends of the line to create a circle. Now, waste becomes raw material. Instead of spending an eternity in a landfill, your old broken mobile phone can be used to produce something new. That's pretty cool for you and good for the planet.